The hide concrete cover comes with all the plastic components, 2 key formers and 4 corner lugs. The lugs ensure the concrete stays inside the tray. These clip in from the underside. Really easy. All the formwork, key formers and the lugs come in a separate pack. Inside the pack, comprehensive instructions. It goes through the safety as well as the fitting and the assembly of the lid. The hide concrete cover comes with a key former, has a little tail at the back and a spring-loaded mount at the front. You pop it through the back of the opening of the tray and that just clips in position. Really simple.